In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of all devices on your Google account. This is really useful if you've signed in on a shared computer, lost a device, or just want to make sure your account is secure. First, open a web browser on your computer or phone and go to your Google account page. The easiest way to do this is to type My Account Google into the search bar and click the official Google account link, or visit the Google homepage. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and choose Manage your Google account. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to manage. Once you're on the main Google account page, look for the section labeled Security. On a computer, you'll usually see it in the menu on the left side. On a phone, you might need to swipe through the top tabs until you see Security, then tap on it. This is where Google groups all your sign-in and protection settings. Scroll down until you find the area called Your Devices or Your Devices and Sessions. Here, Google lists all the phones, tablets, and computers that are currently signed in to your account, along with recent activity. Take a moment to scan through this list and check that you recognize each device. This is also a good habit for spotting any suspicious sign-ins. Next, click or tap on the link that says Manage all devices. This will open a more detailed page showing each device, sometimes including the last active time and location. Go through these one by one. When you see a device you don't use anymore, don't recognize, or just want to remove, select it. On the device details page, look for an option like Sign Out or Sign out of this device and confirm when prompted. Repeat this for every device you want to remove access from. There usually isn't a single Sign Out of Everything button, so manually signing out of each device is the safest way to make sure you're only staying signed in where you actually need to be. After you've signed out of the old or unknown devices, it's a good idea to scroll back up to the Signing into Google section in Security and change your password. Choose a strong, unique password you're not using anywhere else. This ensures that even if someone had access before, they won't be able to sign back in. That's all you need to do to sign out of all devices on your Google account and tighten up your security.